Today we're going to talk about homeopathy, and today with me I do have Dr. Sunny Matthews, a retired professor from Father Muller's Homeopathy Medical College. Hello, doctor.
Hello.
Doctor, what is homeopathy?
Homeopathy is a German system of medicine started by a German doctor, Samuel Hahnemann, 2 centuries ago. Now it is the second largest system of medicine in the world, being practiced in more than 100 countries in the world.
Doctor, what is the difference between homeopathy and modern medicine?
Modern medicine, as far as I know, the treatment is based on the clinical and pathological diagnosis. Based on the diagnosis, they have a treatment protocol and they practice accordingly. Whereas in homeopathy, apart from the diagnosis, we consider the constitution of the patient, that is the individuality of the patient. Irrespective of the complaint, we consider the physical and mental makeup of the patient, and the treatment protocol is decided accordingly. Apart from that, homeopathy, we are using very small quantity of medicines in the form of nanoparticles. That is a very innovative scientific method of preparation of the medicines, where the medicinal substance is converted into nanoparticles in the laboratory, and that is given to the patient mainly in the oral form, and that is found to be very effective.
What are the diseases that can be treated with homeopathy?
We can treat most of the common diseases affecting the human beings. Homeopathy is very famous for the treatment of pediatric complaints. Similarly, in the skin complaint also, homeopathy is very effective. Pimples, ringworm, eczema, and many common diseases. In digestive system, gas complaint, ulcer, fissure, fistula, and piles are treated. In kidney diseases, homeopathy is very effective for the kidney stone and urinary infections. It is effective in the respiratory complaint like respiratory allergy, asthma, bronchitis, etc. Nowadays, the lifestyle diseases are becoming very common, and obesity, hypertension, diabetes, sleeplessness, etc. are very common, especially in urban areas. Homeopathy is very effective for most of these complaints. And other major area homeopathy has got a very effective treatment is psychosomatic diseases. Now modern life is very stressful, and many diseases are the result of the stress and tensions. So that kind of complaints also, homeopathy is very effective.
What are the advantages of homeopathy?
Basically, as far as I believe, two major advantages. The most important advantage is that the safety of the treatment. Nowadays, people are very concerned about the side effect of the drugs, because sometimes the side effect of the drugs can be more dangerous than the diseases. Homeopathy is given in the form of nanoparticles in smaller doses, and the chances of serious complications are very less. The second advantage is the cost effectiveness of the treatment. Nowadays, the treatment is very expensive and most of the ordinary people and poor people cannot afford it. In homeopathy, the treatment cost is comparatively very less, mainly because it is not a commercialized system of medicine, so that poor people and ordinary people can easily afford. These two are the major advantages of homeopathy.
Thank you, doctor.